Hello everyone, Robert Saunders here, and today we're going to continue with our series working with this vSphere cluster that we have, but I actually want to take a node out. I want to remove it to do what? Maybe I want to do some repurposing. So we'll explain what we can do there in a little bit, but here we are starting at the initial portal dashboard. We see the service tag. That's the H01. If you saw the previous videos, you saw that one was provisioned actually to a vSphere cluster. It was added. Now I want to take it away. So there it is in the cluster, H0 right there, H0P7X74. That's the service tag for this node that we're going to be working with today. So now I'll go over to the blueprints here, and I'm going to find the node removal deployment blueprint specific for vSphere. You see I also have Red Hat blueprints there. More videos coming with those here soon, actually. So I'll populate the required parameters for the node removal. Not as many as we did with the add or the cluster deployment, but still there's a few. So I do have, again, as I have in previous videos, I have the JSON pre-configured, all ready to go. This makes it real easy for customers. And I click that and I simply populate the parameters that are needed. I populate a license file to actually remove that now to take it out of my queue of power edges that are available. And I click deploy, one final review here, and click deploy, and it will go off now from the install pending to installing. Now, this workflow is actually going to remove the node from the existing vSphere cluster. Pretty cool, pretty powerful. And as I mentioned, why would I do this? Well, maybe I want to repurpose this node to, let's say, maybe another ecosystem, maybe Red Hat. We have Nutanix coming in the future and additional workloads or additional ecosystems coming even after that. So we're going to monitor the progress here. I fast forward this through. There's about 7 steps to do here. I'm going to watch this get removed. 07 there, boom, it's gone. All taken away from the vSphere cluster. That's perfect. And then over to PowerStore, I'll also see the node quickly removed from the PowerStore. There it is. Refresh here in a couple seconds. And now 3 are there. That's exactly what I would expect. So it's cleaned up my ESXi cluster, it's cleaned up my PowerStore, and now this node, as you see here, is now set into a ready for provisioning state. I can do anything I want with it. I can add it back to vSphere, I can add it to Red Hat, I can add it to more ecosystems coming in the future. That's the power of what we have here with the Dell Private Cloud, brought to you by the Dell Automation Platform. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it.